Light-emitting diodes, like ordinary diodes, have unilateral conductivity. Short pin is negative, and long pin is positive. At the light-emitting diode to forward voltage, the PN junction forward bias the diode conductive light. At reverse voltage, PN junction reverse bias, the diode does not conduct and do not emit light. Connect the test wire and select diode measurement. Connect the red to the positive electrode and black to the negative electrode. The diode emits light, indicating that the diode is conducting, and the display voltage is the conductive voltage. Connect the red to the negative electrode and black to the positive electrode. The screen display open means the diode reverse cutoff.